What's up, guys? This is Ujjwal Kumar Sen, and you are watching Ujjwal Kumar Sen YouTube channel. So, guys, this is the challenge series 2 from thermodynamics, and this is the second challenge series, right? So, in this challenge series, like the last one, you will get 15 more questions from first law, heat, and work, right? I hope you have prepared these topics, right? So what you have to do, you have to take a copy and a pen and start writing what answer would be according to you. These questions comprises of multiple choice questions as well as numeric data type, just like you will see in GATE examination or you have seen, right? So let's get started. This is the first question you can see right now. Which of the following is correct? Cyclic integral of dq minus dw for a process is positive, 0, negative, and last one, none of these. Which of the following thermodynamic properties are intensive properties? Intensity, entropy, viscosity. 1 and 2, option A, option B 2 and 3, option C 1 and 3, option D 1, 2 and 3. Third number question. If work done on a closed system is 20 kilojoule per kg and 40 kilojoule per kg heat is rejected from the system, its internal energy decreases by minus 60 kilojoule per kg, 60 kilojoule per kg, minus 20 kilojoule per kg, 20 kilojoule per kg. Fourth number question. A gas is compressed in a cylinder by a movable piston to a volume 1/2 of its original volume. During the process, 300 kilojoule heat left gas and internal energy remains same. Work done of the gas is 300 kilo Newton meter, 200 kilo Newton meter, 150 kilo Newton meter, and 100 kilo Newton meter. Fifth number question, right? An engine operates on the reversible cycles as shown below. Work output from the engine kilojoule per cycle is correct to 2 decimal places. You have to write down the answer you are getting after solving this problem. Sixth number question. The molar specific heat at constant volume of an ideal gas is equal to 2.5 times the universal gas constant, that is 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. When temperature increases by 100 Kelvin, change in molar specific enthalpy is joule per mole, in unit would be joule per mole. This is also numeric data type. You have to just write the answer, what answer you are getting, and at the end I will share with you keys, then you can match. Next question. A football was inflated to a gauge pressure of 1 bar when the ambient temperature was 15 degrees centigrade. When the game started next day, the air temperature at the stadium was 5 degrees centigrade. Assume that the volume of the football remains constant at 2500 centimeter cube. The amount of heat lost by the air in the football and the gauge pressure of air in the football at the stadium respectively equal to. You have to write down the answer. This is also a numeric data type. Steel ball of mass 1 kg and specific heat 0.4 kilojoule per kg at a temperature of 60 degree centigrade. It is dropped into 1 kg water at 20 degree centigrade. The final steady state temperature of water is in degree centigrade 30, 23.5, 25, 40. Ninth number question. Internal energy of an ideal gas is a function of temperature and pressure. Temperature only, entropy and pressure, volume and pressure. 10th number question. For an ideal gas with the constant values of specific heats, for calculation of specific enthalpy, option A, it is sufficient to know only temperature. B, both temperature and mass required. C, both temperature and volume required. D, both temperature and pressure required. 11th number question. A small steam vessel perfectly insulated and going no shaft work, doing no shaft work, not going, causes a drop 0.8 kilojoule per kg enthalpy of steam from entry to exit. The kinetic energy of the steam at entry is negligible. The velocity of steam at exit is 32 meter per second, 36 meter per second, 40 meter per second, and 44 meter per second. 12th number question. Identify the process for which 2 integral PdV, integral minus VdP, and evaluated between any two states gives the same value. Polytropic process, isenthalpic process, isentropic process, isothermal process. 13th number. For a simple closed system of constant composition, difference between net heat and work interaction is identifiable as the change in flow energy, entropy, internal energy, enthalpy. So we have to write down the answer, what answer you are getting, right? Okay. 14th number question. A tank containing air is stripped by a paddle wheel. Work input to the paddle wheel is 9000 kilojoule and heat transfer to the surrounding from the tank is 3000 kilojoule. External work done by the system is 9000 kilojoule, 6000 kilojoule, 12000 kilojoule, and the last option 0. 15th number of question, the last question, right? Which of the following phenomenon occurs when gas in a piston cylinder assembly expands reversibly at constant pressure? Gas undergoes adiabatic expansion. Gas does work from its own stored energy. Heat added to the gas. Heat is removed from the gas. So you have to mark the answer, right? I hope you have done 15 questions. Anywhere you have doubt, you can ask me below, and after seeing the answer keys, find out answer. And those questions you have done wrong, just use the same pattern we have in GATE. I mean minus mark of 1/3, right? After then calculate how much marks you are getting and comment below how much marks you are getting after taking this challenge series, right? So these are the answer keys for all the questions I have given you in this challenge series, right? So guys, if you have any question, any problem in any other question, you can ask me below. That's why I can share the solution. Once I will get 5 response for the same question of solution, I will create a video on that. So guys, till then, bye bye, stay happy, and if you like the video, share with your friends and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel right now and be the first to take my next challenge series. Bye bye.